Hey guys, check out this amazing new way to display images in your home in all of their 3D glory. This tiny device will let you control your computer from anywhere in the room. And a portable wind turbine will let you charge your phone using the natural energy of the earth. A new AI assistant will help make your days a little bit easier. And this small speaker will send subwoofer bass directly into your chest. The future is now. Looking Glass Portrait. This new product changes the way we see ourselves, our friends, and our future. The Looking Glass Portrait was designed after years of trial and error, and is the world's first portable and personal holographic display. Using rays of light from various angles, you can now create 3D holograms at the push of a button, giving you the most realistic 3D experience ever imagined. Using nothing but your phone's camera and a standard photo, the Looking Glass Portrait is able to analyze your photos and create shockingly realistic 3D holograms that you can place on your desk or mount on your wall, allowing you to see your favorite photos with real-world depth instantly. You can even create animated holograms or install a variety of hologram apps that have been created with Unity to give you a fully immersive augmented reality experience without additional hardware or gadgets. Pre-orders are available now for $249. Snowl. Many of us are wanting more and more each day to be able to interface with our electronic devices without having to touch them or attach various peripherals to perform basic functions. Snowl is a new type of gadget that can help you perform many basic tasks on your smart devices without ever needing to touch the screen. You can pair this device with a Windows PC, Android phone, or tablet. You can then create custom gestures that will allow you to carry out many tasks on your device without ever touching the screen. This would be perfect for business presentations or even reading music while your device is across the room. Snowl is available right now for $124. Shine. Shine is an amazing new device that could quite possibly change the world. This is a portable wind turbine that is able to harness the power of the wind and convert it into electrical energy. Though what's really interesting is that the device is portable and can fit into any ordinary backpack. This means you can charge up your phone or other gadget no matter where you are in the world using nothing but wind. The entire device weighs less than 3 pounds. It has a built-in battery that's able to store enough energy to charge up to 4 phones completely. It will work in almost any windy condition, including winds from 8 to 28 miles per hour. When you're ready to use it, you can set up Shine in as little as 2 minutes. Shine is not currently available for sale, but we expect it to launch soon. Alfred. Alfred is an all-new AI sidekick that is designed to help you out in your daily life. This device lets you create and customize your own sidekicks so that you can have a more personal experience with your smart assistant. Each sidekick will have its own unique identity and personality, making them far more useful and personal than assistants like Siri or Alexa. They have dozens of fun and practical uses that will make them perfect for classrooms or education settings, but they can also help you to complete tasks throughout your day. Alfred keeps security at the forefront, so you'll rest assured knowing that all of your data and voice recordings will be securely stored where no other users can access them. Alfred is available now for $129. Cleep Pro. Cleep claims to be the world's smallest 4K wearable camera. This camera can easily clip onto a pair of glasses, be worn on a helmet, attached to your shoulder, and so much more. It offers built-in EIS stabilization so that you won't end up with shaky videos. It can record in 4K at up to 30 frames per second and has a standard 12 megapixel lens for crystal clear footage. You can use it hands-free and record for up to 60 minutes at a time. The 150-degree field of view makes it perfect for action shots or simply documenting your day. A Wi-Fi preview can be viewed through your phone, so you'll always have easy access to a digital and wireless viewfinder. You can film time-lapse videos as well, and every camera is IP65 waterproof. This camera is available now for just $129. Dusk. Dusk is a brand new way to shield your eyes from the harmful rays of the sun, giving you the world's first pair of smart glasses. These glasses let you adjust the amount of tint using the glasses themselves or the free smartphone app. You can also listen to music, accept phone calls, and much more from literally anywhere. There's even a small place to store an Apple AirTag in the top of your glasses case, so you'll always be able to find them, no matter where you are. You can use these glasses for up to 7 days at a time without having to recharge them. They're waterproof and lightweight and easily rechargeable. You can buy Dusk glasses right now for $249. Baseme Plus. This wearable subwoofer hopes to give you a better music experience by letting you feel the music around you. This was designed to make music feel more immersive, or even help you enjoy your video games more. You can wear it while watching a movie too, and truly experience the sound around you. This speaker will gently rest on your right shoulder, sending the subwoofer bass directly to your chest. Just connect the device using Bluetooth or a headphone jack, and you're ready to go. It'll produce up to 26 watts of sound, perfect for a private listening experience. Baseme is available for $153. Tursa Steam. Tursa Steam is the smartest way to remove wrinkles from your clothes. This system will eliminate wrinkles in minutes and add a bit of fragrance to freshen up your daily outfits. It'll also help you to dry your clothes without needing to put them in a dryer, which may damage them or break down the fabric. Each cycle runs for just 10 minutes, giving you fresh clothing in a fraction of the time a normal steamer would. It can also help to neutralize odors if you don't have enough time to wash your clothes normally. It uses a very convenient pod system to keep things organized and tidy, so you can easily pick your favorite scents. Herbi Air. Herbi Air is a great new way to freshen up the air of your home while also filtering it, restoring oxygen with the power of plants. Each Herbi Air purifier comes with a built-in filtration system, and also a place to add a plant so that you can filter and replenish the oxygen in your home the good old-fashioned way. The system uses the soil and roots of the plant to filter out microorganisms. It then sends the air through a filter mesh to remove bacteria, disinfecting 99% of the air. From here, it passes through several advanced filters to remove smells, ozone, exhaust, and even smoke odors. This purifier is available now for $349. Tetra Puzzle. This unique puzzle will bend your mind and help you learn in ways you never thought possible. You'll be able to train your spatial reasoning skills and dexterity, all with one device. This puzzle is super complex and is considered to be a form of meditation while trying to solve it. On your desk, it looks like little more than a sculpture, but it's really a great new way to bend your mind and learn new things.